Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 interesting facts about Korean K-pop bands that you did not know yet. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well. So let's get it started. 11. There is a school for foreign idol trainees. While it is extremely rare for a foreigner to train as an idol, talent agencies will make efforts to ensure that all of their idols have access to schooling. This includes transferring overseas idol students to Kent, a college that offers both regular academics and idol instruction. 12. SECHSKIES's P-Won is the nephew of Park Jang-han, the former president of South Korea. 13. NCT Dream's Chunma and Jisung met in China when they were little kids before they debuted in the group. 14. MAMAMOO's Solar originally wanted her stage name to be Do Re Mi. 15. TXT's Taeyeon got scouted by more than a dozen companies, and ended up choosing Big Hit Entertainment because it was closest to his house. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.